How you doing? I hope you're well. It's Willie here from the channel Shacks. In today's video we'll be showing you how to install a pre-cut Sunstrip tint for the windscreen. This is for the F30 and here's the pre-cut here. I've already separated the pieces. There's one line for the passenger side and this one's for the driver's side. So I've got my slip solution. This is all it's in this bottle. It's just the baby shampoo and water mixed in. 5 or 6 drops in a 500ml ball of water. All you need is a dishwashing sponge, the scouring side. That way it makes sure the windscreen is free and clear of any contamination. A squeegee and a microfiber cloth to clean off the windscreen. So we'll get started. Right, make sure I move the mirror. I've got my dash cam here, which I'm going to take off in a minute after I installed this bit. Right. Just angle the mirror, that way it's easier for you to work with. Give it a spray, spray. Make sure. Actually, I really got a towel to wipe down. But sorry, I'm not doing the full windscreen anyway. If I was to do the full windscreen, I would have got the rope towels. Right, that's a scrubbed. Squeegee. And same again. This time I always drop it, just going to squeeze it. Just make sure. That's it. Right, this pre-cut here, peel it off and just spray. I also like to thank windowtint.co.uk. At first I was going to install the pre-cut for my car, and then well, I had a look at the pattern, then I realised it was the wrong pattern for the car. It was one for the newer model, because there's the F30 and the newer model's the G20, and it was near enough the same but different. So it was right. Spray my slip solution, then you just line it up, that way it's all ready to squeeze out. Right, you want to line it up in a way. So I'm flying fast with the bike. Right, a bit more slip solution. There we go. Right, line up, that way there's no light showing through. Once you're happy with it, you can squeeze out all your solution. Right about there. Seems. You're happy with it? Then it's time to squeeze out all the solution. Just double check and make sure there's no light shining through edge of your Sunstrip. Right. And spray. So you don't want to squeegee it dry, because you've got a high chance of basically ripping the tint. Always squeegee it wet. This is just a light pass to squeegee out the water. Right. Let's do it again then. Just a wee bit firmer, but not too firm to the point where you're just going to tear off the Sunstrip. Just a bit of firm pressure. Looks like to go again. Yeah, that's it. Wait off any tips. Just a gentle wipe. Gentle wipe like that. We're going to do on the other side now. We're going to take off the dash cam, but we're going to step outside and see how it is. So that's the driver's side done. Now I'm going to take you inside to do the passenger side. Right, luckily I don't need to heat shrink this because it's starting to rain and it's a bit windy. I don't know if you heard the wind noise through the camera. Right, so I come around and take the dash cam off. Just make sure you don't get the electrics wet. Same again as the driver's side. Spray, scrub, squeegee, move on, and then move into place. Make sure you don't see any gaps. Then you need to try line it up. That's one downside when you're having to do a two-piece Sunstrip tint. You try to line it up. Make sure it's all lined up. Right. So that goes up a wee bit. Under that. Go out and check. And that's that. That's how you install the pre-cut Sunstrip window tint. I'm just going to put my dash cam on and adjust my mirrors again. And hope you found this video useful, and please subscribe to the channel to show support, and remember to like this video if you found it useful, and I hope to see you on the next one.